Good morning. No. It's Wednesday. I'm filming a day early today because I'm off. Because we're going to the hospital. Yay. Matt's hopefully, fingers crossed, getting his cast off.
I don't think I will.
Why?
Because it'll probably still be broken.
You think it's still broken? I thought you said you didn't think it was.
Yeah, but I don't.
Oh no, I hope so. Anyway, we're going to the fracture clinic. We are running very late. We've got 8 minutes to get there. Because someone's not used to the mornings. And then the reason I've got the whole day off is because then at 3:30 or 25 past 3, yes, you know we have.
I thought it was just on the book.
No, Matt's at the ENT, ear, nose and throat clinic. I think he's having a hearing test. I don't know how to turn the windscreen wipers on.
Is it not that?
I've done it now. So there we go, that's today. The time is 20 to 10. Here you go. We're home. We're home now. Sorry if you can hear that noise. It's the washing machine. I'll try and speak loudly. We've actually been home about 2.5 hours. It's 2:30 now, or 25 past 2. Matt's cast has come off. Yay! He's cast free, so that's cool. He can't run for 6 weeks, although I don't think he's likely to be running anywhere anyway. He's not a runner. Can't run for 6 weeks, can't go on his bike for 3 weeks, and he's not meant to walk too much on it because it's still kind of easy to break at the moment while the new bone's still growing in. So, but that's good, he's cast free, so he can go to college tomorrow, which he's excited about. Hope he can get, he feels a bit, it's okay, it just feels a little bit sensitive, a bit strange without his cast on, so hope he can get his boot on okay, but he says that he will be able to. So there we go, that's that. In half an hour we are off to ear, nose and throat. So yeah, that's that really. I've just been doing the housework. I'm just going to have a coffee now before we go. We went to KFC for lunch. There was a homeless guy near KFC, so with a dog. So we bought him a KFC. I've never seen him before. We bought him a KFC and we bought some like plain chicken for the dog. But the dog had loads of food. The dog was absolutely well looked after. You know, he had loads of food. He had a blanket. Him is a girl, sorry, it's a girl dog. Bonnie, she was called, little Jack Russell, and she had a blanket wrapped around her, and she was, you could tell that she was well looked after. But anyway, I said to this guy, have you heard of the place that the place that I volunteer at, or used to, and I'm going back to soon, that it's for homeless people. I said, have you heard of that? And he said yes, but he didn't want to go because dogs aren't allowed in there. And like, he doesn't use, we have a night shelter, but it's only 3 months of the year. It's November, December, January. I was meant to be volunteering at that this year, but just because I had loads going on, I've decided not to this year. But anyway, he won't use the night shelter because he can't take his dog with him, and it's just sad, you know. It's like, I don't know, he just obviously loves his dog so much, which is lovely, absolutely lovely, but it got me thinking, I don't know why he can't take his dog. I mean, the night shelters are at different churches each night, and they're run by, it's just volunteers that are there. If I volunteered there, I'd just let him bring it in anyway. So, I don't know, I might bring that up actually with them, because that's crazy that, and I totally understand why he doesn't want to go without his dog. I totally get that's all he's got in the world, so yeah, I don't know why he can't take his dog. It doesn't make sense, but anyway, he's a nice guy, the dog was gorgeous. Anyway, that's been today so far. Matt's been and had a bath, enjoyed having a bath without his cast on, without having to like be careful. So that's good. Good morning. Well, it's actually nearly afternoon. So I haven't been crying for once, I've actually just got something in my eye. Oh! Yeah, it is 20 to 12. I've been up since about 7:30 this morning. Matt's gone to college. Sorry if you can hear the washing machine. I planned on going to my mum's, going and doing the food shopping, all that usual stuff. Only I let Dexter out of his cage and he's not for going back in. So I'm a bit stuck really. You can see him up here. I don't think he can. He's like hiding behind his wooden thing. No, he's not. Dexter! So, yeah, I'm a bit stuck. Oh, here he comes. Hello, sweetness. Don't bite me. Don't bite my hands. Oh, Dexter, that's not kind, is it? Hey, hey, hey. That's not kind. Who's this here? Who's this handsome? Oh, he's coming down. Here he goes. We even put some millet in his cage so he'll go in. So that might tempt him back in, but no, he's just got to eat it from the outside. Of course he is. Oh dear, it's going to be a long day. I'm just stuck in the house. Woohoo! I am finally out of the house. Dexter's gone back in his cage at long last. It is now 5 to 1, so you know, only, oh, I don't know, 3.5 hours after I was hoping to get out. Bloody nightmare. Right, so I am off to, I want to go to Aldi, Morrison's, Pound Stretcher and Matalan today. Oh, and Pets at Home, so they're all on the same like retail park. Hello, I'm so sorry, I haven't really filmed today. I've just been sat in front of the fire, that's why my face is red. Haven't really filmed today because I actually haven't done anything. I went shopping, got some jeans from Matalan, and then went and did Morrison shopping. Didn't end up going to Aldi because there's just 2 supermarkets in one day. It's too much. And that's it. Came home, put that away, and then Matt came home with 2 friends. Sorry, they had something to eat, and they've all gone to the skate park now. Yeah, that's it. And I've just sat and watched TV really, and in all honesty, I'm going to continue to do so. I'm going to make something to eat, not sure what, and just chill out. It's been quite a nice day actually. Chilling out's not a bad thing, is it? Dexter's new obsession is wine. I can't drink it. He keeps, watch what happens. What do you reckon of that? I thought it was going to like peck me. He might be going to. It's not yours. You've got delicious water in there. You have. Good morning. So the time is 10 o'clock. I'm going to walk down to the post office now to get a parcel that came yesterday. As you know, I was in all day yesterday, or most of yesterday, and the time that I nipped to the loo for all of 30 seconds is of course when the parcel came, so now I've got to go down to the post office. I don't know where I put my slip though. And then I am going to my sister's today to help her declutter her kids' wardrobes because I quite enjoy doing stuff like that. So I'm on my way home now. Been to the post office. I just realised I've got another package coming today, parcel, but I'm not going to be in, and it's Dexter's food, so that's a bit annoying. He's got other food. I mix his food. He has half seed, half pellet, and it's the pellets, but that's the thing that's like the best for him. So that's annoying. Depends who delivers it. If there's a lady that delivers parcels, she always puts it around the back, but then there is also a man who does not. So we shall see. Just as I arrived home, my Amazon parcel came. Yay! Look how big this box is. And all that's in it is this. That's crazy, isn't it? How ridiculous. There we go, that's good. I can get on with my day now without worrying. And also what I just picked up from the post office was a pair of boots that I ordered. Now I was a bit worried because I got them off eBay and they were about £15 or something, so I was a bit like, are they going to be a bit rubbish for £15? I'll show you them. They're these. Bear with me. They're these over the knee black boots. Shall I pop them on and show you? So here they are. Sorry, excuse any mess. So there we go, just over the knee black flat boots. What do you reckon? You can kind of tell that they're cheap. They're not like the best. They're alright, but they won't last for years to come or anything. And they're a bit too flat on the sole inside of me, so I'll have to put some like insoles in or something so they don't hurt my feet. But there we go. So I'm gonna go to my sister's now. I'm gonna quickly have that cup of coffee and then I'm gonna go. I'm going to wear my new boots to test them out and see how comfortable or not they are. Hello, so I have been back from my sister's for a little while now. We decluttered her daughter's wardrobe, took loads of stuff to the clothes bank, so that was good. That's a good job done. Her son's wardrobe still needs doing. I will help with that another day. Ah, who's put mud on my rug? Bloody teenage boys, that's who. Sorry, let me turn the telly off. Yeah, it's 5:30 now, so I think I've been home since about 4. Gosh, an hour and a half has dragged. Came home, just tidied up a little bit, and then cut Matt's mate's hair. They've gone to Wetherspoons now for tea. And I'm going to go and have a bath, surprise, surprise. Although, I don't think I've had a bath for a week now. I have had a shower every day. Just put that in there. But yeah, I don't think I've had a bath for a week, which is quite unheard of for me. Don't think I have. Yeah, so I'm going to go and do that. And that's it. Robin might be coming round for tea tonight, I'm not sure. That's that really. Not a massively exciting day, but a productive day. Hello, it's Saturday, the time is 22, I don't know which clocks are right, I can't remember which ones I've changed. Don't know what time it is. Let's have a look on the clock downstairs. The time is, it's 20 to 5. No idea what time it is. Just got in from work. I am going to put my pyjamas on, take my makeup off and just sit and chill because I am absolutely shattered and I love Saturday nights in doing nothing. So I just put the oven on. I'm going to have baked potato with tuna for tea because that's what I fancy. I'm going to let Dexter out of his cage and me and my bird are just going to sit and watch TV all night. No wrong with that, is there? Can't wait. Right, I'm going to get pyjamas on. It's absolutely freezing cold. I wonder what the actual temperature is. I don't know. I think my phone's downstairs so I can't look, but oh, it's gone cold. The next door neighbour's working on the house I say next door neighbour, he doesn't live there, he's just doing up the house. And he keeps singing really loudly. It's quite funny. He's singing really high pitched before. I wonder if he's doing it now. See if we can hear. No, it's just someone, it's the radio talking. I don't know if you can hear it on there, but it was quite funny. It was amusing. Right, PJ's on. You come and snuggle in here with me. You are so handsome. You are so handsome. Good morning. So the time is 11 o'clock. I'm just getting on with my jobs, but Dexter's joining me, so he's making it hard work for me because I can't stop just talking to him because he's so cute. Sorry, the light's terrible. I've got to close all the curtains and Dexter's out. Oh, he's off. Oh my gosh. He's having a good fly. Oh, he's back on his cage. I'm just in the middle of cleaning his cage out at the moment. Oh, I'm giving it a really good clean, as in taking every single thing out, which Dexter isn't really happy about because I'm like touching his toys and stuff, and he's getting in a bit of a flap about it. Gosh, he's having a good fly. He hasn't really flown around for quite a long time, not like that anyway, so he needed a good fly. Right, I'm going to get this done, and then I don't know if I mentioned it, I think I might have said the other day, I'm taking my niece and nephew to the light switch on today, so I've just texted their mum and asked her to bring them round at about 1:30. I think the switch on is 4:30 or something like that, so that's today's plans. Well, I'm still not really getting anything done. So this little one, he's too cute. You're too cute. Yes, you are. Do you know it? You do know it, don't you? You do know it. Oh. Who's that? Who is it? Going to investigate. Right, come on, Dexter. We have to get things done, don't we? This is silly. Oh, he's off. He's up there again. Right, I am getting stuff done. Okay, so I finally got my jobs done. I'm trying to just have a little bit of dinner. I've got just one of them snack pots. Only Dexter is quite fancying a little bit as well, so. Dexter, I just want to eat my dinner. You've got loads of dinner in there. I don't come and eat your dinner, do I? Dexter. Little bugger. Oh, you're making crumbs everywhere. Right, well, I guess me and Dexter are having dinner together today. You like that cracker? It's got butter on it. You're not actually meant to have butter. It's not very good for you.
Yeah. John's like right in the front.
You're right in the front. So, what are we doing today?
Going to Santa.
Go see Father Christmas?
Yeah. And we're going to watch that parade. We're going to go watch that parade.
Well, I think we don't know exactly what happens, but I think Father Christmas goes through town to the light switch on, I think, doesn't it? I think, yeah?
Yeah. Last time we went to get some McDonald's, I saw some lights on some shops. Oh yeah, last night.
That's right, so, were they lit up or not lit up?
Yeah.
Oh, they were lit up?
Some of them, not all.
Not all of them. So today we're going to see them all lit up. They're going to switch them on, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah? You looking forward to it?
Yes!
We're going to need our warm coats though, aren't we?
Yeah.
Because it is freezing.
It's like mine, it's so warm.
What's
What's the thing?
And what were we just talking about? What's happening with Mummy?
She's having a baby.
Is Mummy having a baby?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! What do you think of that, George?
Dad.
Good?
Good.
Do you want a little brother or a little sister?
A brother.
A brother, Sergey?
I want a brother for George because he's already got 3 sisters.
He's
now.
got
No,
3
it isn't,
sisters.
no
So
brothers.
that's hard work, isn't it? 3 sisters. George.
He's just dead.
Is it hard work having 3 sisters?
Yeah. How?
Yeah.
I don't want
You're not going to be the baby anymore,
don't-
George.
Oh, Nan said yesterday George isn't going to be the boss of the house anymore.
Is that right? Are you going to be the boss?
No, because the baby's going to be the boss now.
The baby can't be the boss, can it?
You're
No.
still a baby then.
Are you a baby? You're not a baby, you're a big boy. You go to school, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, should we get our shoes on and go
Yeah.
down?
Yeah.
Okay. They're just chilled out, aren't they?
Yeah. Oh, the music is there.
Go and have a look at the band.
Yeah. They're cool.
Oh.
Crafts down there.
Oh, crafts and mulled wine. Crafts for you, mulled wine for me. Want to stand stay? He doesn't say in that voice. Here comes Father Christmas.
You got a little kid on.
Say Merry Christmas. You gotta give him a wave. Say hi. Is he waving? He's waving to you, George. You did wave. Alright, shall we walk up the street then? Come on then. I saw one
Then you go out and speak the truth.
trying to go up.
Say the words and the melodies. Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Is it too late now to say sorry? 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Right, well we're home from the Christmas
Play. Come here
What?
so you can show your face.
Christmas.
Play.
Did you have Christmas play? Come and sit here. Did you have a nice time, George?
Yeah.
What did we do?
I'll say. I got glasses.
What's that spinning thing called?
A roundabout
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
Carousel. And then we went to get a face to paint it. We waited in line for ages, didn't we?
Ages.
And then we went in carousel again. Then we went to go see Santa going through town. Before that, we did some craft. We made gingerbread.
Oh, we made a gingerbread man, didn't we?
And
Tree decorations.
we also saw reindeers.
did.
And then there was loads of people singing on stage.
There was someone from the X Factor, Lloyd something.
Really?
That's who was singing.
Which one? The first one or the second?
There was only one person singing.
Was that?
Yeah.
Oh. They look different.
Lloyd something, some Welsh guy. Tim Farron,
Wasn't
because he's our local MP. Yes.
I didn't realise.
And then someone from the Mountain Rescue was the person that actually turned on the lights. So I don't know why they do it there. There's literally a string of lights, so I don't know why they do it there.
Yeah.
The lights go all through town, but where the switch on
You could
is
do it
a
where
string
the,
of lights.
You could do it where the Christmas
They should do it where the
tree
Christmas tree is
Yeah.
in the marketplace, shouldn't they?
was. Yeah.
But never mind. George is
George
on the
is messing
floor,
with his top.
rolling on the floor. George, do you want to show what you got?
He's showing us what the dog.
He's copying what the dog's doing. Show us what you got.
Let's.
Puppy dog.
A puppy dog. What's your puppy dog called? Seth?
Is that what your best friend called? Does it walk if you put it on the floor?
Yeah, I think so.
It moved backwards.
Put him on the table there. A better walk better.
There.
On the wood in front of the TV.
He what? Oh!
Round out the way, George. Move. I can't see. There you go.
Then he goes backwards.
He's had that on the whole time since he got it, so the batteries are probably gonna
He died as soon as he
die
got
really
home.
soon. Where's your thing? What did you get?
Where is it?
Christmas bells on the jingle
Got two
bells
flags.
on.
Got 2 flags.
And keychain.
Ooh, beautiful.
There's
Right.
a bone in here, like feels like a dog bone in it.
Oh, it does feel like a dog bone. Did you have a nice? Your dad's here. Did you have a nice time?
Yeah, but it was freezing.
We did.
Oh my goodness, it's Santa!
Father Christmas.
Hi!
And now I am going to my sister's for tea. Right then, lovelies. I am going to sign off for the week now. The time is 8:30. I've been back from my sister's for about an hour, I think. Had my tea there. We had sausage and mash, which was absolutely lovely. Thank you, Craig. That's my brother-in-law. Dexter's just come out of his cage. It's been open for an hour, but I didn't think he was going to come out, but he's coming out now. Matt's just gone for a bath or a shower, although I can't hear running water, so perhaps he hasn't. He said that's where he's going. I think he just didn't want to sit down here with me, so that was the best excuse he could come up with. Right, I'm going to go and get ready for I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here, because that starts tonight at 9, so that's quite exciting, isn't it? It is for me anyway. That's as exciting as my life gets. Right, anyway, I'm going to say good night, and I shall see you all next week, and thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed.